Hey everybody, it's Fannie here, and I'm on my new bike. I'm out for a ride on a beautiful sunny day, and I'm super excited to share with you all the choice of my new bike. But before I do that, I wanted to extend my sincere thanks to everybody who has followed me on this journey, who's commented on the videos, who provided suggestions for bikes for me to ride, suggestions for modifying possible bikes that I was interested in, and just expressed that they really enjoyed not only the subject but the presentation of the videos, because it's been a hell of a lot of fun. In fact, this occasion is a bit bittersweet. I'm really excited to have my new bike after all this time, but I'm kind of sad that the search is over, and I wish that I could shop for a new bike every day, because it was really cool getting out there and meeting a whole bunch of people, riding in new areas across the country, and just having everybody's feedback throughout the process. So just want to thank everybody, and it was a lot of fun. So we want to keep on keeping on with moving forward with other adventures with my new bike. And I'm very humbled with the positive things that people share and their experiences, and I feel exceptionally lucky to be in a position to purchase a new motorcycle when there's a lot of other issues going on in the world, you know, with COVID and people losing their jobs and being on furlough. It's not really a great time for society and the economy, and politics doesn't make it any better, but I do think that this experience was really a silver lining to a cloud of what was otherwise a shit with COVID. So that has been a lot of fun, and it's been such a pleasant distraction from everything that's been going on in our lives locally and across the world. So fortunate, and I'm so fortunate to have such great support and feedback from a wonderful motorcycling community, not only here in the UK, but the viewers that are in the US and all across the world, in Europe as well. So it's been very, very humbling and a heck of a lot of fun. Now, I've been imagining my first ride on my new bike for a really long time, for months and months and months and months. And I couldn't think of a better place more suited to take my inaugural ride than somewhere I really enjoy going. And I've always felt like I've been welcome there as a motorcycle rider, especially a woman rider. I mean, at times it can be intimidating, but I really like it, and it has such a brush of history, and there ain't nothing like a nice cold Coca-Cola and a good burger. So, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, say hello to my new ride. My Indian Scout. Isn't she a beauty? I think so.
enjoy your burger?
It was really good. Oh my god, that chili burger. Yeah. No, it was so delicious. It was so gluttonous. Really good. I felt that I reduced the gluttony by taking off the top half of the bun.
It's a victory burger.
Victory burger. What a delicious burger. I always love the Ace.
You like their burgers?
I do. Anyway, it's really good. I like it. It's cheap and cheerful, and you always see some very interesting characters.
Yeah, there were some characters there today.
Yeah, definitely. I was really overwhelmed by the response to the contest and all the entries. Some of them really made me giggle. I appreciate everybody taking their time to watch the videos and to drop a comment on YouTube and on Instagram with their entry. But Dick, I have to tell you, I kind of felt bad. I feel bad, and I'll tell you why. Because, you know, I liked all three bikes, and all three bikes have so much going for them, and it really came down to price point, the service that I'm going to get from the dealer, and which bike I really saw myself riding in a majority of circumstances. And but to be honest with you, when we filmed that video, you know, I still was really considering the second place bike. And I think that there were a lot of people who responded with that, what is now my second place bike, as their choice for what I would pick, because I think I perhaps colored or tinted their view of you know, I didn't want to hedge one way or the other. I didn't want to make it super easy for everybody, but I also did want to say that there was another bike in serious consideration. So what I suggest we do, because there was an overwhelming, and if you look at the responses, there wasn't one particular bike that everybody was responding to and just saying that bike, which was great.
Yeah.
But definitely there were a favorite too, and some people said, you know, look, I really think she wants the Indian. I really think she's going to enjoy the Indian. I really think the Indian would suit her. But from what she said in the video, I got to go with the Scrambler.
Yeah.
So I do feel like
a bit responsible.
Yeah, I feel a bit responsible. And for that, I would say that there will be a contest for those who guessed the Indian for the Dick Whistles hat. So everybody who guessed Indian Scout, congratulations, hooray! You were absolutely correct. And I appreciate, you know, those who even gave a moment to talk about the Scout or their experience with the Scout, and to just, you know, give me a couple pointers and say how much that I'm likely to enjoy it and ride it. You know, always love that feedback. And then for those who chose the Scrambler, we're going to put all of those names into a hat, and the person that we pick, you know, at random, out of those people who guessed the Street Scrambler, that winner is going to win a Dick Whistles t-shirt.
Awesome. Good idea. Very fair.
You got it. I do feel really responsible, especially when people were saying, you know, gee, she overtly indicated she wasn't going to go for the one that we thought she was going to go for.
Yeah. Well, I think also you were relatively unsure.
I was really unsure. I think
you could have gone anyway, but
I could have. But you know what? It was the price. Honestly, I think had Triumph come out with some
incentives,
some incentives and some tempting deals. So you know, when I have a chance to get out and get on this bike, which one is going to give me the most joy at this point in time in my life?
I think you found the one.
I think I did. I hope I did. Thanks to everybody who voted. There was really an incredibly amazing viewer response to all these videos throughout the series.
But for those who took the time to vote and share your thoughts and comments, I really appreciate it. Dick really appreciates it. And mea culpa, you know, when we did the top 3 video, I really still was undecided, but it appears that I threw in a bit of a red herring there at the end because a lot of people fell for the Street Scrambler. So about a third of the votes were cast for Street Scrambler. So we've decided to create a consolation drawing for those who guessed Street Scrambler because it is a great bike and it was great that you guys picked up how much I liked it. So we've put all those names into a hat. We've got our Top Gun hat. And, oh God, the consolation prize will be a Dick Whistles t-shirt. And the winner of the Dick Whistles t-shirt is Chuck VT. Congratulations, Chuck. You're the winner of a Dick Whistles t-shirt. And here we are, the main event. Over 1/3 of those who entered the competition voted the Indian Scout. So congratulations to you guys. And the winner is P-Trisonic. Congratulations, P-Trisonic. Not only do you have a very cool YouTube name, but now you're the owner of a Dick Whistles baseball cap. Thanks everybody for voting and for watching. We'll see you next time.
I think I do have to wear an earplug in my right ear.
If you like that video and you want to see more like them, hit like, share, and subscribe.